Hi, good afternoon. So someone contacted us asking to provide a tutorial on how to insert a foam earplug. Now, foam earplugs can come kind of tapered shape like this. Sometimes they can be a little bit more like squiggly at the bottom. There's different types out there. Some are flatter, some are wider. I'm going to do with the most common shape that I see out there, more of that kind of tapered, solid foam plug. One thing to note is that these do not fit everybody's ears, and even though you can get them pretty small, some people's ear canals are just very, very tiny, or they're very bendy, and so it can be pretty hard to put these in. But I'm going to show you what you need to do. So you're going to go ahead and take the foam plug, and you're going to twist it kind of from the tip of it towards the base the best you can. And I like to kind of twist it first and then kind of hold it together. While I'm holding it together, I take my other arm and I pull about a third of the way, or excuse me, 3/4 of the way up on the ear. I pull that back. That's what opens up my ear canal. And then I give it one last squeeze. And then I insert that. And you want to insert it as deep as it will possibly go. And then you let it expand to the shape of your ear. Now, when a foam earplug is properly inserted, you should not see much of it coming out from in front of the tragus. So this part right here is called the tragus. The whole ear, outer ear, is called the pinna or auricle. Fun fact. And this part is the tragus. So you can see that you barely see it sticking out. So that's when you know it's properly inserted. I'm going to do the same thing on the other ear. So I'm right-handed. I tend to do both with my right hand. And then you pull open on the ear. And then we get it going. And sometimes it just doesn't go, so you have to start over. Okay, try that again. There we go. And my ear canals are fairly straight, so these go in pretty easily for my ear, but obviously that is not the story for everybody. And then it is expanding, and now I am very loud to myself, so I apologize if I can't regulate how loud I'm talking. And now that is expanded. So obviously with that bright neon green, you could see it from the side, but from the front, if it's in properly, you really should not see very much of it. All right, I hope that's helpful. If foam plugs just don't cut it for you, then the suggestion would be a different type of earplug. Sometimes those wax earplugs could be helpful. Those are really meant for more water than sound, but they can be somewhat effective for sound. And then a custom earplug would really be the best case scenario. I have custom earplugs myself that I use when I'm using power tools or anything excessively loud, but then they could also be made for different types of things like sleep and music, etc. All right, hope that was helpful. Have a good one.